I'm going to share how I warm up Instagram accounts with the lowest possible risk of being restricted or disabled. As you probably know, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok do not ban the use of tools. What they really care about is user behavior. If your actions look natural, like a real human, you're safe. The problem is this: when you buy a new account and start performing too many actions too quickly, the system will flag the account as suspicious. That often leads to spam limits, checkpoints, or even account bans. Basically, when an account has been inactive for a long time and suddenly becomes very active, Instagram will pay close attention to it. That's why the first thing you must do is warm the account up properly. In my software, I use a feature called Account Interaction, which is designed specifically for this purpose. I already have a pre-built Instagram warm-up process, so if you need it, feel free to contact me. For this example, I'll select day 2 of the warm-up. On day 2, the account will scroll the news feed, watch reels, like posts naturally if you want. To warm up accounts for a specific niche, you can add keywords in the keyword interaction section. This helps the account interact with content that matches your target audience. After configuring the actions, go to Total Number of Interactions. Adjust the action limits to match the recommended numbers, and then click Save. Finally, select your accounts. Choose the script and click Start. The software will automatically run everything for you, simulating real human behavior and keeping your account safe.